Hello everybody and welcome to Gene's Reviews from a regular dude, where I do trailer reactions, I react to YouTube videos, I review YouTube channels, occasionally I'll review a movie, but really, I just do whatever the hell I want. Hello everybody and welcome to Gene's Reviews from a regular dude. I'm back at Dominos. I just got done at the gym, now I'm going to ruin everything. I thought I'd try the classic hot buffalo wings. Okay, I've never had wings from Domino's either. Just like the other day, I'd never had the pasta. I've never had the wings from Domino's, so I thought I'd give this a try. You get 12 of them. Man, this looks messy too. I thought they'd give me some silverware or something with it if it was this messy, but doesn't look like it. I also got some dipping sauces here that I'm going to try. I'm going to try the sweet mango habanero. And then I'll also try the ranch. Just normal ranch. I'm sure you've all had that. So let's start with nothing. Just the chicken wing itself. Now, I don't know if these have bones in them or they're boneless. It looks to me like they're boneless. So we'll try it with no dipping sauce. This looks pretty good, I'd say. See how hot it is. I like spicy food, but lately nothing's been very spicy. It says spicy, but it's really not that bad. I like it to where I sweat a little bit on my forehead. It tastes good though. It's not, usually when you get the buffalo sauce, to me they got so much vinegar in it that I think they could lay off the vinegar a little. This doesn't taste that strong with the vinegar. So I'm going to try another one with the sweet mango habanero sauce. Put that in there. Let's take one of these out. There we go. The mango. Let's see if this makes it any hotter. That adds a little bit of spice, but it's still nothing terrible. Unless it's one of those that hits you later. So far, I'm liking these. It's different than pizza, you know? Most people think of Domino's, I think they think pizza. But now we'll try the ranch. I expected actual wings, but that's okay. This gives you more meat this way, right? So with the ranch, just good old ranch, you know, normal. I was hoping it would be hotter to where, you know, I'm going to have to look for something hot, something really hot to try. But I like them. I like these wings. I think they're pretty darn good. They were $7.99, which is not bad. This is what it looks like in the box. They're really, really messy. I think it would have been better if I could have got like a fork or something to eat them with, but I'll ask for one next time. Out of 10, I'm going to give these an 8. I will say that this the sweet habanero sauce does make it a little more spicy, so if you're sensitive to spicy foods, you probably wouldn't like it. But to me, it's still not that bad. An 8 out of 10, I like them. And now it's time for a joke. I wish the name of a business would describe what it sells. Curry's doesn't sell curries. Domino's doesn't sell Domino's. And the Virgin Megastore? What a disappointment. Wow! Thank you, everybody. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hashtag Mean Gene, all that fun stuff. And if you like this video, tell all your friends, leave a comment down below. And if you didn't like it, then just shut up. And I will see you next time.